He had a lanyard round his neck as he sat up in the stand. I had a light-up ring and some Dairy Queen and a long-term plan. He said all the right things. We had so much fun. And the sweet talking lips, they gave me a kiss and I was done. And we spent that week wide open, talking about all our emotions. I didn't know where it was going, just trying to keep my heart on the tracks. I should have known that kind of feeling would last longer than that we did. Blown away and barely breathing. Someday it came and it was over. Now he's got me twisted like an old